If you want to factory reset your Realme GT 7T, then we have two main ways that allow us to do so. We can, for example, open settings on your phone, scroll all the way down, and then over here we can go to system and update, open backup and reset. Then over here go to reset phone, and here we have erase all data. Of course, we need to enter our screen lock password and then confirm that we want to remove everything from our phone. Remember to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose in the process. Because of course everything that we have on the internal storage will be removed. Now this is one of the ways. The other way to do so is by going to the recovery mode. In order to go to recovery mode, first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna press power button and volume down at the same time. Sorry, volume up. Power button and volume up at the same time to open this power menu. And then of course we need to slide to power off to shut down the phone. Wait for the device to completely turn off. And then we're gonna press and hold power button and volume down button until we are in the recovery mode. And as you press it, in the bottom left corner you may notice a little text that is indicating that we are about to go to the recovery mode. So just keep holding. Alright, and now we are in the recovery mode. Over here we can choose English. And as you can see, we have format data option. So you want to select this option, enter this code that we have on the screen, and you should be able to factory reset your phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.